write down the heading in your notebook. Exercise 4.5. Open your notebook and in the textbook open the page number 61. Write down the heading of question number 1. Arrange the numbers vertically in column and multiply. Write down the question 1 heading. Arrange number vertically and multiply. In your notebook, write down the heading exercise 4.5. Arrange the number question 1. Arrange the numbers vertically in a column and multiply. If you are able to write with me, you can. Otherwise, I will be share the photos of this. So you will be write from that. So question 1. A, that is 12 multiplied by 12. Two-digit multiplication with the two-digit. 12 multiplied by 12. So first what should we have to do? We have to arrange them vertically. 12 multiplied by 12 according to their place value. Yes, बोलो क्या हुआ? एक्सरसाइज 4.5 है तो सही. इसमें 6161. Okay, so we are going to start a multiplication from ones place. Okay, so I'm going to write here a place name ones and this is the tens. Okay, so firstly we will be multiply the ones place value. We will be multiply first 2 with this 2 and 1. फर्स्ट हम क्या करेंगे, सेकंड जो नंबर है 12 का, उसका जो 2 है उसको दोनों नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दोनों डिजिट से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट 2 multiply by 2. 2 multiply by 2 equals to 4. Now, second multiplication 1 multiply by 2. 1 multiply by 2, 2. Right? 24. Now, we have to start the multiplication of the tens place ones. 1 tens place पे जो 1 है उसका start करना है multiplication. So as you know of the rule of the multiplication, when the number is on the tens place, so whenever you are start your multiplication, put zeros at the beginning. आप क्या करोगे, ones place पे zero लिख दोगे, फिर आप start करोगे multiplication. So by default you have to write down a zero here. Then start the multiplication of 1 with 2 and 1 also. So 2 multiply by 1, 1 multiply by 2. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. So write down 2 here. Next 1 multiply by 2. 1 multiply by 1. So it's a 1 again. Here is nothing, so you can count as 0. क्या बोलो, वो हम कर रहे हैं. यस, एडिशन करेंगे हम वंस प्लेस से. 4 plus 0 4, 2 plus 2 4. वेट, बोलो. आंसर इज 100. हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हो, नहीं समझ में आ रहा। ऊपे कौन? जीरो नहीं है, वो प्लेसेस है। वंस एंड टेंस। जब मैं बोल रही हूँ तो ध्यान रखो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ। मैंने क्लियर बोला था, आई एम राइटिंग द प्लेसेस वंस एंड टेंस। ओके, अभी हमने ए किया। बी इज योर होमवर्क। कंप्लीट इट फास्ट सो वी विल बी सॉल्व द सी। Try to solve C if your work is done. Try to solve C. बोलो। बेटा देखो, ये चीज हर बार नहीं पूछी है। ये चीज जो आप पूछ रहे हो हर बार कि मैम आप इसका फोटो भेजोगे, मैं स्टार्टिंग में ही बोल देती हूँ कि इसका फोटो मैं भेज दूंगी, अगर आप नहीं लिख पा रहे हो तो कोई बात नहीं। बी होमवर्क है, मैंने अभी ही बोला। और ये जिहान, आपने अपने नेम के पीछे आगे पीछे क्या लगाया हुआ है? मुझे सिंपल नेम चाहिए। क्या 12? वापस से क्यों करना है, एक बार आपने कर दिया ना। We are going to solve C now, not B. If you done, try to solve C. अगर हो गया है तो आप साथ में कंटिन्यू करोगे। C 30 multiply by 13। बोलो। We will be discuss that at the last of the class now. So please don't be speak between us. At the last we will wish you, don't worry. You have to just drop a message for it. Okay, C is 30 multiplied by 13. So 30 multiplied by 13. 30 multiplied by 13. Okay, I am writing with ones, tens. It's not a place value, you have to say places, not a place value. Okay, start from the ones place. 3 will be multiplied with these two digits. 3 multiplied by 0. As you know, whenever we multiply any number with 0, answer is 0. Then secondly, 3 multiply with 3. 3 threes are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Then next multiplication of 1 with this two digit. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. Firstly, as we are going to start off the multiplication of the tens place, so firstly you have to put 0. Then 1 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. So two zeros will be there. And the last 1 multiplied by 3, 1 threes are 3. Here what are you doing? Okay, so 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 0, 9. Here is nothing, so you can count a 0. 3 plus 0, 3. So answer is 390. D is your homework. D is your homework. If you done, Start the E. E is 67 multiplied by 24. E is 67 multiplied by 24. Complete your work fast as you can, as we have to be solve the full exercise. Okay, so firstly I'm going to arrange them vertically. 67 multiplied by 24. Write down the places, ones, tens. Okay, start the multiplication of 4 with 7 and 6. First we are multiply 4 with 7 and 6. So 4 multiply by 7. So start the table of 4. 4 sevens are 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28. So 8 will be here and 2 as a carry. Right? Next multiplication, 6 multiply by 4. 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24 plus 2. 24 plus 2. 26. Then plus. Sorry. What happened? Yes, that that is the written 100 plus. You can understood ना, that is okay. आप समझ रहे हो वो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Don't be speak loudly and don't be speak in this tone. Okay, so now 2 will be multiplied with 7 and 6, but as 2 is on the tens place, so firstly we have to put a 0. Right. Now 7 multiplied by 2. So 2 sevens are 14. So 4 will be here and 1 as a carry. रेड कलर का जो है वो सेकंड डिजिट 2 के लिए कैरी आ रही है, ग्रीन कलर का जो है 4 के लिए कैरी है. तो आपको ऐसा कंफ्यूज नहीं होना कि दो दो कैरी क्यों रखी हुई है. Then 6 multiply by 2. 6 twos are 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1, 13. So there is a one place more added, that is the thousand place. Here is nothing, so I will be count as 0. Okay, start the addition with the ones place. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And 0 plus 1, 1. Answer is 1608. Answer is 1608. Complete this in your notebook. Answer is 1608. After is F is your homework. We will be solve the G. 93 multiplied by 48. 98 multiplied by 48. Okay, sorry. 93 multiplied by 48. Okay, so we will be solve the next. G 93 multiplied by 48. 93 multiplied by 48. Okay, so firstly we will be start the multiplication of 8 with 3 and 9. Ones place, tens place. If places are added, I will be write it. 8 multiplied by 3. 8 multiplied by 3. 8 threes are 24. So 4 will be here and 2 as a carry. Next, 9 multiplied by 8. 9 multiplied by 8. 8 nines are 72 plus 2, 74. So 7 and 4 will be here. So it's a 744 and one place is added, that is the 100. Right? Next, we will have to be multiply 4 with the 3 and the 9, but 4 is on the tens place. So firstly you have to be write down 0 here. Now 4 multiplied by 3. 4 threes are 12. 2 will be here and 1 as a carry. Next, 9 multiplied by 4. 9 multiplied by 4. 9 fours are 36 plus 1, 37. Yes. हाँ, लिख सकते हो। आप पहले से उतनी जगह छोड़ के रखा करो ताकि आपको इजी रहे, क्योंकि आपको पता तो है कैरी वाला आने वाला है। तो आप भी देख सकते हो मैंने कितनी सारी गैप रखी हुई है, तो आप भी ऐसा ही करो। कैरी आने वाली है तो थोड़ी जगह में छोड़ के रखो, 1 या 2 लाइन की, तो मेरी कैरी इजीली आप लिख पाओ और दिखने में भी आपका वर्क नीट एंड क्लीन दिखे। Okay, start the addition with the from the ones place. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 0, 1. Plus 3, 4. Answer is 4464. As is your homework. If you done, write down the heading of question number 2. Solve the following story sums. complete it fast as you can. हाँ. Try to read the story of A. Okay. Write down the heading of question number 2. Solve the following story sum. Focus, please everyone look on the books as I'm going to read the story of A. We have नहीं बेटा, हर बार एक्सरसाइज के लिए हम स्टोरी नहीं लिखते, तो इस बार भी नहीं लिखनी है. ये सारे चैप्टर्स के लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ, एक एक्सरसाइज के लिए नहीं, सारी चैप्टर्स के लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ. Question number 2. Solve the following story sums. A. 26 books can be arranged in a one shelf. Students, stop writing. Just look on the board. मैं लिख रही हूँ, आप देखो ध्यान से. स्टोरी सम्स के फोटो मैं आपको भेजूंगी क्लास खत्म होने के बाद. 26 books are can be arranged in a one shelf. How many books are arranged in a cupboard with 18 such shelves? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको क्या दिया गया कि वन सेल्फ में 26 बुक्स अरेंज हो रही है, राइट. एक सेल्फ में कितनी बुक्स अरेंज हो रही है? 26 बुक्स अरेंज हो रही है. तो आपको ये पूछा गया है कि एक सेल्फ में अगर 26 बुक्स अरेंज हो रही है तो 18 सेल्फ्स में कितनी बुक्स अरेंज होगी. So as you know, this is the story sum. You have to compulsory write down the sentences. So firstly, books arranged in one shelf. Books arranged in one shelf, that is the 26 books. Now second आपको दिया हुआ है कि कितने सेल्फ्स है. So number of सेल्फ्स, that is the 18. Now लास्ट आपको पूछा गया कि 18 सेल्फ्स में कितनी बुक्स अरेंज होगी. So books arranged in 18 सेल्फ्स. तो उसके लिए हम लिखेंगे 26 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 18, राइट. आपको हॉरिजॉन्टल फॉर्म मिल गया मल्टीप्लिकेशन का. तो अभी आप क्या करोगे? वर्टिकली उसको अरेंज करोगे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू अरेंज इट. ये अगर आप मेरे साथ नहीं लिखोगे अभी, अगर आपको आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ बात करनी है तो आप क्लास से रिमूव हो सकते हो और मुझे बता सकते हो. ओके. नाउ 26 multiplied by 18, we got the horizontal form. So we firstly arrange them vertically. So 26 multiplied by 18. Okay. Start the multiplication. Ones, tens. Start the multiplication from the 8 with 6 and 2. So 8 6 are 8. 6 are 48. So 8 will be here and 4 as a carry. Second multiplication 8 with 2. 8 multiply by 2. 8 twos are 16. 16, but here is the 4, 4 is the carry. So 16 plus 4, 20, 20, 20. One place added, that is the 100. Now multiplication of 1 with 6, but 1 is on the tens place. So firstly we put a 0. Then 1 multiply by 6. 1 multiply by 6. 1 6 are 6. Then 1 multiply by 2. 1 twos are 2. Start the addition from the ones place. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 0, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. Answer is 468. So lastly you can write down the answer. Therefore there are 468 books arranged in the 18 cells. आप इस तरह से आंसर लिख सकते हो. Now B is your homework. B is your homework. We will be solve the C1. Turn the page. Open the page number 62 in the textbook. Focus on the C. A farmer tied 25 carrot in one bundle. A farmer tied 25 carrots in a one bundle. What will be given? 25 carrots थे. उसने क्या किया? एक बंडल बनाया, उसमें 25 carrots लिए. Yes? क्या? मैंने बोल दिया ना. मैंने बोला वो आपने सुना क्यों नहीं? सुनना भी तो जरूरी है ना. आप लास्ट में लिखोगे मैंने ऐसा बोला भी. Focus what I will be speak. As I don't have a space, I will speak that. Write down the last sentence. Therefore, there are the 468 books arranged in now 18 cells. ध्यान से सुनना भी जरूरी होता है. और मैं इसके फोटो भेजने ही वाली हूँ, तो नहीं लिख रही हूँ तो फोटो में तो आ ही जाएगा. आप खुद से भी लिख सकते हो. Sentence are not necessary. You can write same as I am writing. Try to write by yourself. Make it by yourself. Okay, so again we are going for the C1. A farmer tied 25 carrots in a one bundle. Farmer ने क्या किया? एक बंडल में 25 carrots को tie किया. If he tied 75 such bundles, how many carrots did he bundle up? फर्स्ट आपको क्या दिया कि एक बंडल उसने बनाया, उसमें 25 कैरेट को टाई किया. सेकेंड आपको दिया अगर फार्मर को 75 के बंडल्स बनाने हैं तो उसको कितने कैरेट्स लेने पड़ेंगे, कितने कैरेट्स को उसने टाई किया. So firstly, as it's a story sum, we have to be write down the three sentences. So first sentence, carrot in one bundle. Carrot in one bundle, that is the 25. फिर सेकेंडली आपको दिया कि 75 बंडल्स बनाने हैं. नंबर ऑफ बंडल्स tied by farmer, number of bundles, that is the 75. Now asking for the how many carrots did he bundle up. So number of carrots bundled up, that is for we have to write down the horizontal multiplication. 75 multiplied by 25. 75 multiplied by 25. We got the horizontal form. So we will be arrange it vertically and we will be start our multiplication. 75 multiplied by 25. So I am going to show you the multiplication. I will be share the photo of this in a group. So you will be continue from that. Okay. So first we will be take 75 multiplied by 25. Write down the places ones, tens. Okay, start the multiplication of 5, this one 5 with 5 and the 7. So firstly we will be multiply 5 with the 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Next 7 multiply by 5. 7 multiply by 5. 7 5s are 35 plus 2 37. So one place is added, so I will be put it here 100. Next multiplication, multiplication of 2 with 5 and the 7. But 2 is on the tens place, so firstly we have to be put 0 on the ones place. Now multiply 2 with, please mute yourself, 2 with 5 multiply 2 with 5. 2 5s are 10, 0 will be here and 1 as a carry. Next 2 multiply by 7. 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So 1 5 15. In here you can put a 0. Start the addition. Here is the one more place added, that is the thousand place. 5 plus 0 5. 7 plus 0 7. 3 plus 5 8 and 1 plus 0 1. So answer is 1875. So write down the answer at the last. A farmer a farmer used 1875 carrots for 75 for tied 75 bundles. Now D is your homework. B and E both is your homework. We will be solve the F. I am going to read it so you can be also focus on your textbook. F. Suhas distributed 53 pencils in the class. First, what will be given? सुहास ने क्या किया? 53 pencils को distribute किया अपने class में. How many pencils will he require if he wants to distribute the same number of pencils in 27 such classes? पहले आपको क्या दिया कि सुहास ने पेंसिल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए अपने क्लास में 53 पेंसिल्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए. फिर आपको क्या पूछा कि अगर सुहास को 27 क्लास में पेंसिल्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने हो तो उसके लिए उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, कितनी पेंसिल्स उसको चाहिए होगी. तो फर्स्टली what will we do? For 1 it's a given and for asking for 27, so we will be multiply them. So start the sentences. So pencils distributed in one class, that is the 53 pencils. Then second sentence, number of classes, that is the 27. And last we have to write down pencils need for distribute and 27 classes. You can make your own sentence. Last we are writing 53 multiply by 27. We got the horizontal form. 53 multiply by 27. So we will be arrange it vertically. 53 multiply by 27. I said thrice that I will be share the photos of story sum, one question one also. So don't be asked one question again and again. And please mute yourself. If you are unable to mute yourself, you can leave the class. I gave you the permission. I will be put your attendance. 53 multiply by 27. Okay, start your multiplication from the ones place. Firstly, write down the places. Ones place, tens place. Now start the multiplication from the ones place 7 with the 3 and the 5. So 7 threes are 7 multiplied by 3. 7 threes are 21. 1 will be here and 2 as a carry. Next, 7 multiplied by 5. 7 fives are 35 plus 2, 37. 1 place added, 100. Next multiplication, 2 with the 3 and the 5, but it's on the tens place, so you have to be firstly put 0 on the ones place. Now 2 multiplied by 3, 2 threes are 6. Then last multiplication, 2 with 5, 2 fives are 10, so 1 0 10. 1 plus 0 1, 7 plus 6 13, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 0 4. Here is nothing, so you can count 0, 1 plus 0 1. Answer is 1431. So you can write down, therefore Suhas needs 1431 pencils for distribute in 27 classes. Here is one more place added, that is 1000. Okay, so we done here our whole exercise. What is your homework? Again, I am going to write it. In the exercise 4.5, please mute yourself. In the question number 1, B, D, F and H. B, D, F and H is your homework. In the question number 2, B, D and E is your homework. Okay, so we done here our class.